It's recording.
Where? I bet. Man, this shit clean. Jeez.
Turn that shit up.
Oh, they know how to have fun for real. I'm gonna have to wait till I die.